Hello, uh, in today's live video, I'm solve a problem on pointer. In my background, there are so many noise. I know in the background there is it's too hot, so I used fan. And in my right side there is one more inverter. The sound is also coming too heavy. So actually, this video is not for you and not for any learners. I'm just solving my problems. Actually, I want to build my confidence in front of the camera so that I can give interview on camera in front of any of the analysts. Okay, I'm switching from I'm sharing my screen and I will share entire screen. Since screen sharing is already started, and I will switch to the next window, and here you can change the window. Okay, desktop 1, desktop 2, desktop 3, you can work uh, individually. You can work in this desktop, work on this desktop, this is desktop 3. So I'm going to work on desktop 2. And if you want to switch, you can switch like this. So I'm switching from this desktop 1 to 2, and this is my JavaScript. This is my VS Code. It's taking too much time. These are my React. React. I'm building some project, and this project is not have done yet. I will do later, so I this from this code to different folders. Changing the workplace and taking weight. Three problems I have solved that. So what is happening with this actual current is gone. This is why beep sound is coming out. In demand, actually this is a starting function. The program is starting to run from this function. This function is called by the system or by the system. We are not in this function. This function is called by this main function is called by the system. Okay. What I'm going to do, my task is write function solve Boolean variables. Okay, this is take something returns nothing. Measure the nature of the function is take something, but it will not return anything. That means I'm not going to write return keyword inside this function. Uh, what I will give the name of this function. If this is not returning anything, then I will read void. I will declare void, and I can give any name to this function, but related names are must recommended. I'm taking the num swap and see uh, swap values. of two int variables. Actually, I want to swap the int variable. There is my value which like int a assign 10 and b assign 20, and I want to swipe. Uh, I want to swipe. That means I want a become 20 and b become 10. But I'm not going to do it in here. I have to do it in a different function, and I will give something to that function so that that function can interchange the value in this function. Okay, I'm calling the function swap, and what I will give this function, and what this function receive. Actually, if I give a and b, then I'm passing what? I'm passing all. This is called by value. I'm giving value to this function, and I will receive like this uh, int a. I can write a, or and I can use anything b and int b. Okay, it will receive values. But when I create another variable for store j b and b assign e and e assign z. It is actually this function is swapping, but this is not swapping a and b. This is swapping in own function. So what I have to do? Actually, I have to give address to this function. So this function can access this a and b variable. So I'm going to give address of a and address of b. If I'm passing, this is called by reference. Reference, call by reference. If I'm passing reference, then it should be actually I'm passing address. That means uh, normal variable cannot contain address. So I have to declare a pointer d and pointer a. Now they are one level pointer and they can store the address of the zero level. Okay. Now I cannot write this. If if I writing D, that means I'm writing the address of A. But I don't want the address, I want the A variable. Okay, now I can access the A. Now I can access the B. Now I can access the A. Now I can access the B. After this function completed, it is not going, it is not returning anything, and it is completed. After that, I'm going to print the value of A assigned percentage and B assigned this is B equal to percentage and A and B. Let's say A will become 20 and B will become 10. Okay, let's check. GCC hyphen STDC 11 hyphen O ASSIGN assign 42 ASSIGN assign 42 dot C. I'm compiling and there is an error. What is the error? Previous implicit declaration of swap was here. Swap was here. Where? Okay. One in implicit declaration function swap for the reference. Hmm. Okay, I don't know anything, but actually it is when I'm compiling, this is running from top to bottom. So I have to declare this swap strategy This is not necessary to declare the pointer variable here is also just declare this it will okay. Now there is no error or no warning. Actually, this was also not error. This is just warning. Now I will run SSIGN assign 42. A become 20 and B become 10. Yeah, this is working. Let's move to the next question, that is write a function to search all occurrence of a given character in a given string. The result of search is a list of indices to be stored in a given array. Now let's search for occurrences. Write a function to search all occurrence result. Okay. Okay. I'm providing the detail of the function. Write a function to search all occurrence occurrences of a given character in a string. Okay. Result of search result of search is a list of indices indices to be stored. Okay. Write a function to search all occurrence of a given character in a string. Okay. Actually, I have to write the occurrence. Hmm. The word source. Actually, to give the hint to have it how you declare the function. Source all occurrence, and I'm receiving car str ch and star to declare it on the top. So do not give line while I will compile it. Car str. Okay, when I'm calling this function search all occurrence, this search all I'm providing is what I will provide str str in through language. I'm passing str. I'm passing str. Str is what is str? Str is a base address of str. Okay, and I'm passing char ch. Okay, I'm passing what? I'm passing a. Okay, occurrence of a given character in a string. All occurrence. Okay, and next is I have to pass a array, and I will store all the occurrence. Okay, I have to create a array, that is empty array, in which I use it inside. Okay, I'm passing arr. ARR means I'm passing the base address of ARR array. I'm going to insert the indices of a character. Okay. One, two, three, four. Let's see what is happening with this. Int I equal to 4, I equal to 0. S, str. str, um, str is receiving the address of str. That means this is a pointer. If I pointer dereferencing, okay, it's like a dereferencing. Now what I want to do, if str I is equal to ch, then uh, okay, I have to write j also, j equal to 0, j increased here, j assign I, okay, then j plus plus, okay. Even then j will not increase. And what I have to do right now, here I will to indices of error, okay, a equal to 0 or I equal to 0, uh, I will be less than equal to 10. Then R I is not equal to 0. Here now I plus plus percent t, and actually I'm creating the fail system. Should I go to size 10? Yes. I is less than equal to equal. Let's see. I think this will work, but let's check. Four, 10, 20, 25, 24. What is happening? What has happened? When I'm writing this, actually I'm I'm accessing this in stri. STR say I'm signing. I ARRJ means ARR flows I and I'm dereferencing it. And in dereferencing means I am pointing to the variable which this is contained, and I'm assigning I to that variable. Yeah, is it okay? What is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, perfectly correct. It is perfect. But these are what? Hmm. It's perfectly correct. This is on indices 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 8, 10 in second, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21, 22, 23, 24. 26. Okay, this is perfect. But what is happening after this is not? Else I have to. No, I don't have to. Reset the problem. How will solve this problem? Actually, these are garbage value. These are garbage value. Do I know? Garbage value. How do I know garbage value? Hmm. Garbage value. This is perfect. Now let's do function to convert the data string forecast. Word for only to something is defined. I'm providing base address. If I'm providing address, that means you have to be declare a pointer to receive that address, and this is a pointer, and this pointer will receive that address. Okay, pointer is received. Now I for I equal to 0, I is less than str. Str means str I means str plus 0. Str plus something, and this I'm dereferencing it. Okay, it's very simple. I I plus plus. Now, what I'm going to do, if str I is um, 65 more protect small. If str is greater than is greater than 27 and there I want 22, then one learning is regardless. This is extra spaces. I am passing here this regardless. I have first I have first was if I am passing address, then there should be a pointer variable to receive the address of car type string, car type. I have everything clear button starting from to the null pointer. And it is increasing one by one. What I'm checking if str is equal to 32. I have to figure out STR, STRI is equal to 32. Then print in else. So lost you. The lost